Hi, in this video we are going to go into basic PHP programming. We're going to go into basic PHP programming, and this is how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL, which is here. And for example, last video we did EG001 basic. If you want to look at the code, you can actually come here and click on it to open it. Okay, the code is actually here. Alright, so you can go back and look at it for reference. So all the code we do is here. Maybe slightly different because when we program and write a new program, things will change, and it will not be exactly the same. Okay. All right. Before I continue with the EG001 basic, let me close the file. Let me close everything and show you how to start from scratch. Let's say you finish your work today, you close this file, you shut down your Apache, you close it, and since you close Apache, if you do this won't work, right? Because the server is gone. So you will get an error message. So let me close that as well. Let me close this. Let me just keep the, okay, let me close this as well. Firefox. Okay, so you want to work again, right? So the first thing you do is you want to start your Firefox. And go back to the page. Go back to this page because all my code is there. And then you want to start your Apache. Okay, you should start. So once you start Apache, you should be able to type that into your browser. Okay, to look at your file, but that is only the output. If you want to see the source, you have to go to File Explorer. Okay. Right click, open up, right click, left click File Explorer, go to your C drive. Temp, my PHP, and your code is there. So you open up where we stopped, EG001 basic. Right click, open with Notepad++, so you can carry on the code. Okay? Great. All right, let's move on. Okay, so this was what you have, right? Previously, what you have done. So when you look at the code, you have HTML code, swap over to PHP code, change back to HTML code, and then PHP code, HTML code. So you need to be very cautious which part of the program you are in and what code you're actually doing. So this part is PHP. Okay, you can also blend PHP into HTML. So let me just quickly do another example. So here I can actually write, okay, let me look at the output first. Indiana Jones. Let's say here I actually can write HTML first and say I want to put my first name here. Control C, Control V. I want to put my last name here. Okay. And obviously these are HTML. So once you do HTML, you can do formatting and all that. Okay. And then you want to put PHP here, so you insert the PHP tag. Again, Control C, Control V, and then you can print the first name, print the last name. In PHP, because PHP is open source software, a lot of people contribute to the writing of the software. So there are different ways of doing things. For example, you can write print to print things, or you can also write echo. Okay. They are the same thing technically. I mean, not exactly, not 100% the same, but they do the same thing. Okay, so you have echo here. All right, you have Indiana Jones. Okay, you can also write in a different syntax, like you don't like this way of writing, you want to write like a Java program. You can use this syntax. It will work as well. Okay, they are not going to give you error. So basically, very little discipline in PHP, which personally like. And then you can, okay, one question is PHP case sensitive? Okay, that is a big question. Right, PHP, the answer is actually depends. Okay, PHP variable names are case sensitive, but the function names are not case sensitive. Okay, so I break it down here. These are the things that are case sensitive: variables, class, arrays, class, constants. Things not case sensitive: functions, keywords, if-else statements, class constructors. So this is super confusing, right? Class constructor against class constant. That's really super confusing. All right, why is that the case? Because again, it's open source, a lot of people contribute to it, so I guess if you put a group of people together, they never agree with each other, so they have this kind of thing coming up. So when I code, I just treat PHP as case sensitive. I don't even think about all this. I say, okay, it must be case sensitive, I need to be careful. I don't want to think about all the if-else statement here, so it's like, yeah, just be careful, okay? So you can treat PHP as case sensitive. All right, so I'm almost done with my first file. So it's a good time to do a validation. Okay, so come over here, view page source, copy the code, Control C to copy. Right, Control C to copy. Then go to the W3C markup validator. Validate by direct input, paste it there, and make sure your HTML have no error. Yes, HTML have no error. Okay, so you're good. So we finish our first HTML file, okay? And it's a good time to stop the video, and then we're going to move on to the next file. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.